dude. That thing slaps. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to some more fuckery with me. So, I went up to Best Buy and I got some speakers. Or not speakers, some wire. Recent transaction. Which you already know. Going 500 watts on it with this Jonathan. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna build up this Type S Alpine speaker I've had for a long time. Ordered this box off of Amazon. Basically, in this scenario, you pop the ring off, and then you're gonna drill screws into here, run wire from fucking there into fucking right there. So that'll be that, and then you would go for wire to here, and then, you know, vice versa with all the other wires. So. Man, it's been a while since I've hooked up some subs, so see if I can do this in a clean shot. I got plenty of other things I want to get going today. I'm trying to pull up to the waterfront with subs today, my niggas, so like, let's make it happen, Cappy. Alright, so I ran into my first issue. The screws I got are fucking junk and they're too long anyways. I don't know why I was using such long fucking screws. So I'm gonna fasten the subs a little after I get it tested out and whatnot. But got myself loaded up here. Got all tools, accessories, amp, wire, speakers, everything pre-spliced and ready to plug and play. Just gotta take apart the dash in the Subaru. Get those screws. And hopefully I got enough, all the right tools. I don't want to run into something stupid, so I'm gonna go outside and send it. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Alright, now we're in this pig. I'm gonna show you guys how to fucking disassemble the fucking dash. So you take out the cup holder. There's like a little push tab here. Slide it out, exposes two screws here. You pop this up, the center console, there's two screws right here. See if I can show you that really quick. I don't know if you see the two screws there. Bink, bink. And alright. So I'm gonna rest this thing here. Just gonna start having at some screws real quick. And we'll see what we can do. Alrighty. Have it. Yeah, this thing sucks, huh? Alright, have at her. Where's a good spot for these? This is that. Wired up the hitch pretty good. Tearing this fucking thing apart. Fucking shit's not come off, man. Losing shit now. Put a sweatshirt on now. I'm starting to sweat pussy. The wind stops blowing. Fucking planet does what it wants, boys. I'm making progress. I've got to sweat some cock. Alright, screws out. Flat ones for the center, 2 for the front, 3, missing 1 for this. Does this just come out now? Is that really just how this is gonna go? Come on, baby. Yeah, this thing's on. Yo. What the shit is that? Alright, I need an actual screwdriver. Fucking motherfucker. Why'd you have to do things right, guy? Alright, stay tuned. Dude, look at this bullshit little screwdriver. Fucking reaches in fucking fingertip style. Watch. Alright, how do you break a bolt like this? Yeah, I'm not putting these back on. Give me the fucking thing. Give me the fucking thing. Holy shit, guy. Complication head. Alright. Now. Alright. Let me see if I can show you this. So, here, I've located the remote wire. So I'm going to strip this. So basically when you hook up subs, you're running a remote wire to the amp, and this like when you turn the key on and off, it'll shut the subs off. And then you're gonna do like a red and white, white and red wire. It's like an audio wire that'll run from this the deck to the amp, and that will distribute it from the amp to the actual sub. What else? Then you're gonna run power from the battery, and then in the trunk you're going to run a ground wire from the amp to the trunk, and that'll keep its system, you know. So I'm going to strip this bad boy up, and then we'll get under the hood and start running wires and shit, and stay tuned. Alright, so I've ran, oh, dark, right? I've ran everything behind. I didn't tighten anything until I know everything works. So I'm gonna run this to the trunk, to the amp. I'm gonna get under the hood to get that power cord. I'm gonna run that to the back, and then I'm gonna look for a ground spot in the trunk. So I'll see you in the trunk. Okay. So I went around looking for fucking grounds. Peeped the strut tower, but it seemed a little too narrow. over here, this little plastic thing is in the way. A little too deep, but I figured the one by the spare tire jack right there, boom, ground, chilling, 10 mil, right? The only socket and wrench combo I got. So in theory, I'm gonna hook this red and white speaker wire to this, power, ground, remote, and this cocksucker just starts slapping like a motherfucker. In theory. What a fucking test of patience. Alright, so I got those in. Power's ready to go. You know, all routed through, sloppy as shit. Last step is connect to battery and speaker wire to this and test. 10 mil gang? 10 mil gang? Yeah. Dude, these things never get the fuck out of your fucking way. It's sick. You can cover the fucking thing. I'm trying to unscrew a bolt and it keeps just fucking falling down. I'm not fucking losing this one today. You guys are witnessing something. Fucking stay while I undo this. Look, look, it's still making its way over. Come on. Come on. My next magic trick. Skink. Skink. Back on she goes. Back on she goes. This plant's pretty fucking cool, right? Get to do shit like this. Okay. Yeah. It's kind of tiring. Oh. Let's see if this prick works. Okay. Yo, people that fucking design shit with Allen keys, like, yo, you're fucking crazy. Like, what? Why? I'm using a fucking needle-nosed fucking plane. Wires are touching.
Giant border less serious Americans is a fierce aquatic predator found in freshwater habitats worldwide, but especially common.
But it's in protect mode.
It is classified in an order of insects that includes 50,000 feet.
Luckily, I own a fucking RC car, and I got this like model Allen key kit, so I could fucking. Dude, I literally didn't have an Allen key, but I realized I had this, so this was meant. So, I guess I'm gonna hook these speaker wires up and hope for the best. Alright, technically, this is gonna work. Where do I put this? Let's take it with me. Alright. Dude, that's pretty gnarly. Fail. So I'm lacking somewhere. It's protection. Alright, thankfully YouTube helped me out. So now this thing's got power. So if you ever have your amp in protect mode, check for your ground. I scraped a ton of paint off and now I got a solid ground. So I'm just gonna go through this really quick and touch base. So I got your fucking power, remote, ground, speaker wire, right? Speaker wire into sub, I still gotta fucking get screws to screw that in, so we're not fucking hood rich. And then if you follow it all the way over, everything's still disassembled to the battery. It's kind of easy, but not really. Hardest things you need to know what a remote wire is. When you do a harness kit with that, there's usually a solid blue wire, and then you run the blue wire at the RCA cable to the back, and that'll be the communication to this, and this will be the power source to that. Can't wait to hear this thing slap. Shit's gonna be kick-ass. Good morning. Back at it. At the dirty depot. What do you expect? I didn't have enough parts. Alright, so got the right size screw and a drill bit, so I can fucking do this right. And yeah, we're gonna fasten this. So far, we're still green, so I believe it's just when it hits, it fucking goes in protection because it's just not protected, right? And I gotta fucking tape up the remote up front, and then that'll be a sound test moment. Drill. Alright, someone wants to park next to me. Decent. This kind of smells like church. Yeah, I haven't been in church in a while. What of it? Alright. There we go. Still trying to strip, but these ones are shorter, so they're going in. Alright. So it's been fail city. It keeps going protection mode. I'm gonna go home and try to scrape more paint off on the ground and see if like it's just not like tight enough. I don't know. Sucks. Let's see what we can do. Alright. Oh. Final try. Wait for it to hit. Ah! That's it.